guys, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today to do a DT for Tracie Fox, and that's Tracie Fox with Love Junk Journals, and she is a digital kit artist, and you can find her on Etsy, and also these other links or pages that you can find her. Hold on, that was a little big, right? So she has a Facebook and an Etsy and a YouTube channel. So if you wanted, I'm sure everybody follows Tracie or you've heard of Tracie, but if you don't, please go over there. She's an amazing artist, and I have the pleasure of being on her design team. And so today I wanted to share what I did, and I used her Wings Wonderful Wings, so you can find those on Etsy, and all her links will be below. So just go click on the links and you'll find her latest kit. So it's a bunch of like kind of watercolored wings, and they look like this. I'll show you really quick. This is what they look like, and there's a whole kit of them, and she's got a couple different pages. They're beautiful, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. I had a few ideas, and then so one of the ideas that I came up with was I made a art doll. This one's a little bit different, but I'll show you what I did. So here is the little fox. So I did sorry guys, I did a little fox with some wings. I used her wings, and this one's she's kind of little, so she is about 9.5 inches, and then with her wingspan about 4 inches. So she's kind of a little thing. So I printed her wings out on fabric, and then I have a form inside there to kind of shape them. And this is paper mache and fabric. And so this is one of Tracie's kits as well. I loved doing different things with Tracie's kits. I do the journals too, which I have one in the works using her butterfly kit as well, but that'll come later. But I just wanted to show this really quick. I had a lot of fun doing this. It's so fun to use Tracie's kits in different ways, and she is so she's just amazing to let you be able to play with her kits and come up with fun ideas for DT projects. And yeah, so thank you for that, Tracie. But anyway, so this is like my fabric doll art doll with the kit. And so here's the back of the butterflies. And here's her little legs, and she just has painted legs and little slippers. And then here I made the foxtail on the back and then attached it with the button, and she's got her little skirt on. So here it is up close. If I can kind of get it up close there. Kind of see it. And then I just took, I'm not sure what these are called, but kind of like it's for beads, cones. Sorry, bead cone, and then I just used that as the crown. And then I hand sculpted this out of paper mache and did a painting technique on that, and then just kind of did a little bit of a ruffle collar. I think those look so neat. I really like doing ruffle collars when I can. And then, like I said, here's her butterflies, the wings that I chose to use. And then a painted body in her arms, like I said, a little skirt. So yeah, let's see, there you go. Anyways, I hope you enjoy her. She's also for sale, so if you have any questions or want any more information, I have my email down below, so you can email me there. But yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope everybody's having a good 2020, start of 2020, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.